Hi guys, welcome to the video. This video is based on the infant health and monitoring system. This project is developed by my team members Han, Dongong and Alfred, and I would like to acknowledge my teachers who have designed this idea. My teachers are Zenon Chaczko, Mohammad Alswwaf and Szynanski. I would like to appreciate them because without them this project would not be possible and they help a lot while doing this project. And also I would like to thanks to the Faculty of Engineering and IT, School of Electrical and Data Engineering from University of Technology Sydney. This project is a part of the Internet of Things assignment which is developed by my teachers which I have mentioned above. So now let's begin and now my friend Alfred will continue. Thank you.
So the first question on your mind would be, what does the system do? This system is something that detects and notifies users, mainly parents or whoever is taking care of the baby, about the temperature inside the baby's room, about the sensitivity of light, and there are certain sensors that will detect the movement of a baby and notify the user or the parent.
Okay guys, now let's discuss about the problem in our environment. The main problem in our environment is the climate change, which is increasing day by day and is influencing human health and well-being. On that note, babies are most vulnerable to the climate change. Extreme temperature are one of the most important factors affecting the baby's health, and intense climate change has also the negative impacts on the child health. This has become great public health concern. There has been increasing interest in assessing the impact of ambient temperature on child's health as well as climate change is continuing. So at last but not the least, this project is focusing on infant health, and now my friend Alfred is going to talk about the.
The solution we are proposing to this problem meets core requirements, and also meet the needs of stakeholders. In this case, stakeholders are the parents. This system is reliable and it's safe. So what will happen is we're going to make predictions. The TI sensor we are using, Texas Instrument Sensor, the model number is CC2650. It will gather data every 5 seconds, the temperature and humidity of a room. And if there is a spike or if there is any major change, it will detect the user or the parent immediately. And then he or she can go and attend the baby or in the room, make any changes to the device, or make the baby wear warm clothes or take off their sweater or jacket or whatever is required. Again, it will also give them the data of light sensitivity, which they can check and again make changes. This best feature of this device, which I personally like, is this can detect baby's movement. Now, what can that do? It has got accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer. If the baby is moving too much, it means it is in distress and it is restless, and it can immediately notify the parent. The parent can then come and see what is wrong with the baby. The sensor will be placed on the baby inside the baby's pocket. It can be made as a tag and something the baby can play with. But this is something we're thinking about, something we will implement in the future. Conceptual diagram. So as you can see, our sensor tag is connected to the Raspberry Pi, then it is programmed through Node-RED, then the data is being sent to cloud, and cloud is then notifying the user. This is the Node-RED flow. As you can see, the sensor is connected. All the flows are listed. The sensors are listed. It has been programmed. This is a graphical representation of the data collected from a sensor. As you can see, the sensor ID is written there on the top. And we've been testing this. We've seen if there's any major spikes in temperature, or the temperature is very low. Immediately it will signal the user that something is wrong. Please attend the baby. System feasibility. Our system is low in cost, it is reliable, it is easy to deploy. Development. We are using the latest technologies and collaborative tools. The thing is, we are still new. What we have developed is the first stage. It's very useful. It's the first stage, but we are thinking of new ideas. We are thinking of what more changes we can make to this device so that we can make it more useful. We can use these sensors in some other way. For this, we will need new technologies. We have to go through new things. We have to learn more. We've just learned how to use the Raspberry Pi, connect the sensors, program it, and now with the help of Node-RED, we can do even more things. We can send Twitter notifications. There is so much we can do with it, with the Node-RED. But as we're new, we have only limited to what we know completely and what we are good at. This is a system testing. This is, as you can see, Pramesh's email. A notification has gone to Pramesh's email showing all the data from the sensor. This is the prototype. On the left, you'll see the Raspberry Pi. On the right, the Texas Instrument, the sensor. It doesn't look this bad if you place it inside the case and then inside a bright red cover, and that will be very good for the baby. I'm sure the baby will like it. Yeah. So thank you for listening. Do you have any questions? Please comment down below. And if you see a watermark, because we are using a trial version of Camtasia, so do spread this out. Do accept our system, and as we are low in budget, we cannot get the full version of Camtasia. But one day we will get the full version of Camtasia. We will record another video. We will make a better product and bring it to you. Thank you for listening.